Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very yummy and delicious vegetable yam porridge. You're going to love this one. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, always leave your comment for me, okay, and help me to share this video. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video. Here are my ingredients for this delicious yam porridge. So for my vegetables, I'm using pumpkin leaf and scent leaf. So here is my scent leaf and here is my pumpkin leaf. I've already washed and sliced them, okay, but you can use any vegetable of your choice. So here I have my crayfish. I'm using lots of crayfish, okay, and here is my chopped onions. My protein, I'm using smoked fish. You can use any protein of your choice. I have here mixed ginger and garlic. I like garlic in my porridge. You can skip this process if you don't want it, okay, but it makes a whole lot of difference. You're going to love it. So here is my pepper mix. I have bawa and fresh pepper, and here is my yam. I've already washed and sliced this yam into sizable bites. So guys, we are going to start now to make our sauce for the porridge. So guys, in a dried pot, I'm going to be heating up some palm oil, okay. You can use vegetable oil. Then once the oil is hot, I will go in with my chopped onions and then my minced ginger and garlic. I'm going to stir now and I will allow this to fry for some minutes. It's 3 minutes later, I'll be adding in my pepper mix. I'm going to stir this now, okay, then I will cover the pot and allow this to fry. So now that our pepper mix is fried, I'll be adding in my seasoning cube and then I'll add in the crayfish. Let me know in the comment section if you wash your crayfish before use. Like some people do not wash their crayfish before they use it. They just go ahead to blend and start using it. No, you're getting it all wrong. Please start washing your crayfish, okay? Start washing your crayfish if you have not been washing it. So I just added in some salt. I'm going to mix this very well now to combine all of this together. Once I'm done mixing, I'm going to add in water, okay, enough for the porridge I am making. Then I will just cover this pot and allow this water to come to a boil. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, Please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you are yet to like this video, and don't forget to share this video and leave your comment for me. Okay, our water is boiled now, and I'll just add in my yam. So I'll just go in with the sliced yam. I know there are different methods in making porridge yam. Like some people actually cook their yam first, then add in everything. Like they go in, they first boil the yam, or they'll just add in everything while boiling the yam, okay, and everything will cook together. But I'm telling you, if you make your sauce first before cooking the yam, you're going to enjoy it, okay? Like this is on another level. Okay, I want you to try this method. If you have not been cooking your porridge jam like this, I want you to try it, okay, and let me know your feedback. All right, so now I'm just going to cover this pot now, and I'll allow this yam to cook until the yam is soft. So guys, once our yam is cooked, I'm going to mash some of the yam, okay, to form my porridge, because I want enough porridge for this porridge yam. Of course it's porridge yam, so I want plenty porridge in this food, okay. So I'm just going to mash it, okay. So at this point, I'm going to be adding in my smoked fish. And then I'm just going to mix up everything together. I will add my vegetables now. Then I will cover this pot and I will allow this to cook for just a minute, okay? And a minute later, this is what we have. I'm just going to mix and mix until everything is well mixed. Guys, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? Have you liked? Please like, okay? And guys, here is what we have. Our delicious and yummy porridge yam is ready. Let me know if you are going to be trying out this recipe. Like, this is so good, so yummy, so delicious. You are going to love it, okay, and your family too will love it. I want you to try it out, okay. Don't forget to leave your comment for me. Like this video if you have not liked the video. Don't forget to share this video. Help me to share my video, okay, and subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay. And if you want to go further to appreciate me, use the thanks button, okay. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.